Hi, in front of me is ESSENTIELB HeYou 60 and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down, choose security, click on screen lock over here and pick one of the login methods. Swipe pattern, pin or password. I will go with pattern, so I have to click on it, draw my pattern, tap next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and click confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Now you need to choose when your device is locked how do you want notifications to show by picking one of the options. I will go with don't show any notifications, so I have to click on this option and tap done. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!